I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft Teams account on your PC or laptop. So the first thing you need to do is open up your preferred web browser and type in Microsoft Teams, and then look for the option that says download Teams desktop and mobile apps. On this page, there are two things that you'll need to do. The first one is optional, but I would recommend doing it, and that is to click download Microsoft Teams for Windows. Here, you can actually use Teams within the browser, but the app is significantly better. And whilst that's downloading, in the top right, you just need to click sign in. Now, if you already have a Microsoft account, all you need to do is log in like normal. So that would be the same account as that you would use for either work or your own personal email address. However, if you do not have a Microsoft account, all you need to do is click create one here. So it's possible to convert any previously owned email address into a Microsoft account. So as you can see here, all we need to do is input our current email that is currently not a Hotmail or an Outlook. Next, select the correct region that you are from and input your correct date of birth. On the next page, input your first and last name, which will be shown on Teams, and then click next. And then you'll just have to complete a short puzzle just to prove that you are not a bot, like so. Once you've done that, you'll be automatically sent over to the web browser version of Teams. And from here, I would now suggest opening the previously downloaded Teams app from here and logging in through there. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.